Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Lexzai vlogs. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a blog using Blogger. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop a like for this video. Now let's begin. Firstly, you need to have a Gmail account before you can use a Blogger, before you can use the Blogger app. So firstly, if you don't have a Gmail account, I mean the Google Mail account, you have to register first for it by visiting gmail.com. As you can see, this is my Gmail account and I've opened it already. So for the Blogger, you visit blogger.com, then you click on create blog because you are starting afresh. Had it been we've created a blog before, you are going to click on sign in. Now, so let's create our blog. I'm going to choose the email I'm going to use. So you type the password. So as you can see, I've typed my password for the video. So it's asking me which. So I can just use Lexzai vlogs. Then you confirm. Now let's begin with the setup. So we click on create new blog. So let's name it Lexzai vlogs. So the address is talking about the domain you want to be using for the blogger. So Lexzai vlogs, as you can see, the name is already on Google. So, but we are still going to, but we can still use Lexzai Milli. So Lexzai Milli, yeah, Lexzai Milli. For the email, we can just use Lexzai Milli's blog. Yeah, the blogspot.com. As you can see, it's checking for the available. Fine, the URL is available. But if you want to know if the URL you want to use is not available, as you can see, I'm typing Lexzai.blogspot.com. This blog is not available. That means I can't use it. So it's better for me to use the Lexzai Milli's blog as the URL of the blog. Now you can just select any template. I'm going to teach you how to upload templates as time goes on, but let's work on the ready-made templates from Blogger. Now this is our blog. This is my blog, Lexzai Milli's blog. So we start with the basic settings. When I'm talking about the basic settings, I'm talking about the things you need to do first when you open a blog. Talking about the comments moderation, and people that can comment on your blog, and so on. The email you want to be using to receive the comments moderation. So you select the minimum of posts. The maximum posts you want to be seeing on the first page of your blog. So I'm setting it as 30. As for me, I'm setting it as 30. Now the basic settings, you add the description of your blog. So I'm going to just welcome to Lexzai Milli's blog. Yeah, so I'm just using that as an example. You can write small. As you can see, minimum of 500 characters. So now you are going to check if your blog is in public listing. I mean, so that it will be able to be indexed on Google. Now you have to activate the HTTPS. When we are talking about to make your blog secured, you need to activate the HTTPS redirect. Now the blog authors is talking about how many authors are going to be managing the blog. As you can see, I'm the admin on the blog. So if you want to add someone, you are just going to click on add, then add authors, and input the name of the person you want to use to be running the blog. So we are still working on the basic settings. Now we've done this already. So language and formatting, the language you want to be using for your blog. So you can select English, French, Chinese, and so on, Arabic, Hindi, and so on and so forth. But as for me, I'm going to use my default language, which is English. So for the site, for the description, yes. The meta tags, I'm still going to teach you how to use the meta tags. But let me just use the description I used for the blog as the meta tags. So as time goes on, I'll be showing you how to use meta tags. Sorry, yeah, we don't need to click that for now. We are still going to talk about much more on the Google Search Console. So let's work on other things. So this is where you import comments. If you want to delete your blog and so on, if your blog is going to be containing adult content, then you click on yes for the adult content. So the user settings, if you are going to be using your blogger profile to blog, or the Google Plus. Now let's create our first post. Now I'm posting for the first time on my new blog. Although I've been running a lot of blogs, I run exclusiveclue.com, Talent Arena, Oleku Vibes, and so on. So I'm just using this blog as a tutorial blog for my fans. Now I'm inputting the title of the post I'm about to publish. So now I can just say, hey guys, welcome to, and no, let me cancel this. I'll be teaching how to create a blog post. How to create a blog using Blogger, one of Google's most used app. Yes, if you don't know, Blogger is among the most used app. One of the Google most used app. Yeah, so if you don't know now, you know. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, so as to receive more updates. Now let's I need image for the blog post I'm about to post. So since we are talking about Blogger, I'm going to be using Blogger logo, yeah, for the image I'm going to upload. So you can choose you can just search on Google for the image you like to use. So I will just rename it as blogs or something. You can rename it to anything, but I'm renaming my own as blogs. Then I'll go back to my we'll go back to my blog tab, and insert the image. So you click on choose files, then click on it. So you have selected. So now you are going to tag your image. You are going to add properties to it, because I'm still going to teach you more about the SEO. I'm talking about search engine optimization, so as your blog, your blog post will be appearing on Google. So now you use the necessary tags. Don't just tag unnecessarily. So I'm going to be using few tags now. I'm still going to teach you how to use tags on Blogger, how to make your so as to make your blog post appear on Google. Now the post is ready. Now we publish. Yes, this is my first blog post on Blogger. As you can see, this is the home page. This is the home page. Now with these we have so now after sharing, after posting, now we need to share on. You have to to gain more traffic. You need to share to people. You can't just post and leave it for Blogger to share for you. Once you post, you start sharing on your social media pages. So be it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere you think people, WhatsApp, mention it. Anyway, any social media platform where you think people can read your blog post. So but I'm using my LinkedIn account. So click start a post. So you paste it, then I just published. It lets people know that it's a new post, so people won't think it's some kind of one old post you just decided to reshare again. So you just published my first post on just published a post on my blog. So how to create a blog using Blogger. Check it out and drop comment. Thanks. So you click on next. So you make use of the necessary tags also. So if you want to share it as public, but I'm not going to share it. So with this, we've come to an end on Lexzai Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.